Hi, welcome again. And next problem we have chosen is the problem 771, which says jewels and the stones. And the problem statement says we are given a string J represent the jewels, type of stones that are jewels, and the one given string S, which represents the all the stones available. Okay, so and it says like in each each character of S represents the type of stone you have, and we want to know how many of the stones that we have are also jewels. Okay, so this is a very simple problem. So what we need to do is we need to check all the characters. Okay, so it says like first example it says like this one. Okay, so that one I have just taken. So it says J we have given this, and the S we have this. So this represents the jewels we have, and this represents the stones we have. So we want to know how many stones we have that are also jewels. Okay, now for that we have to count, if we have to check each character. If that character is here, so we will increase the count by one. Okay, so just mm, jewels equal to 0, and then for s in s, if s in j, then jewels plus equal to 1. Return jewels. Easy peasy. Submit. Done. 28 milliseconds. About a year I had 36. Okay, so this is pretty simple. If you want some other problem to take on, please comment below. We'll take it next. Yeah, thank you.